What if I told you you could up the coolness factor of your car just by opening your door? Oh my God, that is so cool. This is without a doubt the single coolest way to customize your Tesla. A little while ago, I got an email from CustomPuddleLights.com asking if I wanted to try out some of their custom puddle lights. And at first I thought, sure, why not? I always wanted some of those Tesla logo ones that you can't seem to find anymore. But then I checked out their website and I was blown away by all the options they had. It took me about 2 seconds to say,
absolutely, I do. Good, excellent.
Now, normally with product reviews on this channel, I don't do videos on products I don't recommend. Everything I do is stuff that I would use myself. And on occasion, I will get a product where it's like, maybe not so much for me, but I'm sure some of you will enjoy it. But for this, when I saw how awesome the customization options were, I'm like, you got to send me these puddle lights. Send me these ones right now. Because I got a crazy idea. I was definitely cooking on this one. All right, it's finally dark enough that you can see these puddle lights. Now, I installed them during the day, so obviously I couldn't see them when I actually installed them. So this is gonna be my first look at them. I'm really excited. So let's go ahead and check it out. Oh my God, that is so cool. That is unbelievable. Check this out. Oh man, like the graphic is so sharp and the red just pops. And there's still enough spill light to make it a useful puddle light. Now, if you're getting your own custom light, it takes about a week for them to create and design it, and then another week for shipping or so. And then this shows up at your door. Now, these are the old lights because I've already installed the new ones. But basically all you have is a puddle light. All you have to do is take these out. Oh, that one came out a lot easier. You take the new ones, plug them in, and clip them back in. So installation is really easy. And they'll work with you to make sure you get the right ones for your car. They don't just do Tesla, they do all kinds of cars, basically every car imaginable. And obviously every car has different trims and different years. So they make sure you get the right ones so that fit your car perfectly. The logo is beyond sharp with no fading, and they have a lifetime no fade warranty. If you want to get yourself some of these, head over to CustomPuddleLights.com. I will have the link down below in the description. They have thousands of pre-made options, or you can design your very own. And it's not just Tesla, like I said, they have every car imaginable. The prices range from just over $100 for the pre-made designs, or you can customize your own, and that runs you about $250 to $300, depending on the options you choose. They do have a dual lens option, which produces 2 images at once, will sequence through. So those are really cool as well. And use promo code Northern Tesla for a discount on these awesome puddle lights. These are so cool. I am in love with them. I just want to drive at night all the time. I'm kind of annoyed that it's summer right now because it doesn't get dark till like 10 o'clock, and that's way past my bedtime. So I want to be able to see these all the time. They are so awesome. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And also don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss videos, which I release about every week or so. Tons of awesome Tesla content, how-tos, tips and tricks, product reviews, all kinds of stuff. So be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. And be sure to follow me on all my socials down here. Anyways, thanks again for watching. We'll see you next time. In the meantime, drive safe and drive electric.